Hey guys, we're here. Today we're gonna show you how to make a trash deposit. Without any more delay, let's try to make the trash deposit. Is it called trash deposit? Deposit? Trash deposit even? I don't know, but it breaks trash. Why am I lagging? Where is... Now, put the campfires in here. Campfires. You need 3 campfires to cover this. Now you need 2 rotating slabs. Just move this slab right there. Now you have a trash deposit. But be careful, you might get sucked into the trash deposit and you won't come out unless you die. But this trash deposit doesn't work on items, I think. Here's how to use the trash deposit. Get an item right here. You have to really shove it in there. Bro, what? What? Yeah, it errors sometimes. Let's push this rotating slab here. There we go. Put this kiddie bike. How do I open? What? But to be extra sure it breaks, you need to do it like this. You need to do it like this. I think sometimes the items get shoved down. You need to do it like this if you want to be extra sure it breaks. You need a different, like this. You need to get that on top of the fire. Let's try it. We need to move this slab a little higher. Now let's put an item. Let's put an item. Is it still there? Sometimes if the condition is right, it actually... Wait, gotta move this right there. The condition, if the slabs are rotating in a way, the item might fall down the map. Really hard. Okay, now let's put a vehicle. also works on others, some on planes, on flying places. Yeah. But if you want to, you can add a sign saying trash deposit, so other chickens know that it's a trash deposit. Like that. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.